now I'm going to show how to find xs for the following differential equations. And now I'm going to use the Laplace transform to solve these three problems. Before we going to start, we need to know the first derivative of the Laplace transform and second derivative. I'm going to down to to write to write down here. Uh, spam s equal s xs minus x zero. So this is the first derivative, and the second derivative equal s over 2 xs minus s x zero minus x sorry, minus x from 0. And we're going to use these two properties to solve the problem A, problem B, and problem C. And now we're going to start with problem A. So this is the second second derivative, and this is the first. And we're going to take the Laplace to the both side of the equation. So we will got uh, we will place the properties of the Laplace transform of the first derivative and second derivative uh, to the equation. So we will get s power 2 of xs plus s of 0 sx0 plus s prime 0 and plus 4, and the next one is the first derivative, so we will get s of xs plus x0 and plus 3, change to the Laplace transform, it will become xs. And we will finish the left side. And now the right side is the ut, or we call it unit step. It will become 1 over s, following the property of the Laplace transform. And we're going to take the 0 into the x0, x prime 0, and equal 0. So we rewrite the equation, it will become s power 2 xs plus 4 equal 1 over s. And now we're going to reform the equation by take the s out. So we will get the s over 2 plus 4s plus 3 xs equal 1 over s. So now we get a solution. The answer of the xs is 1 over s multiply s over 2 plus 4s plus 3. And now this is the final answer. And the next one, problem B, doing the same thing. This is the second derivative, first derivative, and take the Laplace to the both sides. It will become s xs minus x 0 minus x from 0 plus 2 x s x s minus x 0 um, plus xs. Change the unit step on the right side, it will become 1 over s. And we're going to place our 1 as the problem gives us to the x0 and x prime 0. So the equation will become s2 1 plus 2xs minus 2 plus xs equal 1 over s. And rewrite the equation. Reform the equation if we got the final answer. Ss equal 1 over s plus s plus 3 over s power 2 plus 2s plus 1. So this is the final answer of the problem B. And the last one, just as the same techniques, we place the second derivative and first derivative. So it will become s minus x 0 minus x prime 0 plus 2s x. We just turn the number 1 from the last problem to the 0. So it will become right here. Um, s over 2 xs plus ss equal 1 over s. And reform the equation. We will get the final answer. Ss right here. It will become 1 over s over 2 plus 2s plus 1. So this is the final of the problem C.